The value proposition canvas is a tool designed to ensure that a product or service is positioned around what the customer values and needs. It's a focused extension of the business model canvas by Alexander Osterwalder, which zeroes in on two crucial segments of the larger canvas, the value proposition and the customer segment. Understanding and using this canvas can significantly help you with your strategic thinking. Also, Tool is ideal to help you create and deliver value. The canvas is split into two main parts. The first section is the customer profile. Right here, you always start here. You start by defining your customer's jobs or job to be done. Think about what tasks are your customers trying to perform and what problems are they trying to solve. This can include functional, social, or emotional jobs. Then move to pains. I will say that this is the most important area. In here, you often need to spend a lot of time thinking. Sometimes you even make assumptions. In here, you have to think about what frustrations, obstacles, or risks do your customers face while trying to accomplish these jobs. Next, think about the gains. In other words, what benefits and values do your customers desire? What would make their job easier or make them happier? Now you can move to the value map. You start with products and services. Think about what are you offering to the customer. List the features of your products or services. Next, pain relievers. How does your product alleviate specific customer pains? These should directly address the frustrations your customers face. Then finally, the gain creators. How does your product create gains for the customer? This could be through offering superior features, benefits, or enhancements that go beyond just solving a problem. The goal is to match the customer profile with your value map as closely as possible, ensuring that your value proposition meets the real needs of your customers. By the end of this process, you should be able to define your value proposition. It will look like this. If you are not sure about how to get there, you can use different sticky note colors to represent each pane and then connected it with area. For example, this pane with this job to be done and with this product. Using the value proposition canvas not only helps clarify your product's appeal, but also refines your strategic approach. This framework, it helps you think beyond features and to delve into the actual benefits your customers seek, thereby enhancing both product development and communication strategy. You can find this tool online. You can draw this on a whiteboard, and you can also find it for free at Nova.